Hi friends, if you are looking for a complete medical and health clinic WordPress theme, I have a good one for you. On this video, I have Cura WordPress theme, and it is really a wonderful theme for this purpose if you are in plan for making a website for health clinic or medical related services. So Cura is a medical clinic theme and it has been developed by Radiant Themes, and they are of course elite authors. The theme is new, and in fact it has been developed in 2020 only, and it has an update as well in the same year. So since theme is new, it is not going to create a duplicate copy of other website, and your website is going to be unique with this theme, and it has all the great features as I have seen in the demo, and it is actually a good theme as I have seen in the code quality. This theme is very good and it has a well optimized code with it. And Cura was designed for health medical clinics, hospital, skin care and pet clinic, healthcare and pharmacy business, and it is 100% responsive, and it can be well used for physician, healthcare and medical clinic business, and it is going to be a very good choice for you if you are in plan of making these websites. And the wonderful thing is that it has got 6 amazing home pages for nutritionist, counselor, skincare clinic, pet clinic and COVID clinic. So COVID clinic is a new addition considering the current scenario, and there are 25 plus pre-built inner pages as well, so you can use these pages on your website. So it is also additional thing which you are getting in this theme. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the wonderful demo of nutritionist website, and I'm going to give the link of these demos in the description of this video. And all the demo websites are very carefully crafted and having modern design. And this is the counselor is also very good, and this is the website for clinic, and it is also awesome. So in this video we are going to install Cura WordPress theme and a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also import the demo content and preview the theme options along with the customization options. So I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got documentation, licensing, the Cura main theme file, and some plugins has been also given in the theme pack itself. These are the plugins: Slider Revolution, Radiant Themes, Custom Page Type and Radiant add-ons has been given. So now we can begin the installation. For this we have to go on the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the cura.chip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. And Cura chip has to be selected, and the theme file size is very less. It is just 7.24 MB in size, and it is a great thing that the theme file size is less, and it is going to work fast on the website. As I told you, the theme code has been well optimized and well written, so this is why the theme is lightweight, and lightweight theme always works fast on the website, and fast is the demand of web. And if your website is not loading fast, it is going to bring nothing for you. This is why I bring always those themes on this channel which are having the wonderful code quality and having a boon of speed with them. And if you are new on this channel, you can please subscribe this channel. You shall be getting very wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you, and you can get the Cura theme as well. So in the description I am giving the link of my website where you can simply go to the listing page and click on the magenta color button tagged as get Cura WordPress theme, and you can follow the link on button and complete the order for this theme. And you can even choose to have a hosting plan with us on a very reasonable price. You shall be getting the hosting as well. So I have a complete package for you. In fact, once the progress bar turns green with 100%, just wait for turning into green. Yes, it is green now. We can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Cura folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is not required now. Now go to the theme section again. And now we have Cura as additional theme option. This is Cura version 1.0.1. Cura was designed for health, medical clinics and hospital. All this description is here. We can activate it now. And upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins, and meanwhile it is also showing the vitals of what is required, and it is showing memory limit is less, so we shall first fix it. For increasing memory limit we have to add a simple line in the WP config file on the hosting itself. So it has to be added before a line or done. Stop editing. Okay, so that's it, and that's all. Stop editing. Before this we have to add a line like this: define WP limit 256 M, and just hit on save changes. It should be fine now, and just refresh it. And now okay, so memory limit is defined now and it is all green now. So now we have to install the plugins, set up plugins, what is required for running this theme. So these are the list of plugins, and we can simply use this dashboard for installing the plugins. Simply click on activate all plugins. It is now being installed. So it is simple to install plugin and activating plugin, as the theme provides a very interactive interface for installing the plugins, and all is going on. Radiant themes add-on, Radiant theme custom page type, Redux framework, and this theme is using Redux framework and Elementor. This is a very good combination in the modern websites. It really works nice. And Unison is also here, eCommerce is also here, so we can use this theme for e-commerce activities as well. All is good, and now the plugins has been installed and activated. Now fine, so we are good to go. And let us check the plugins once again. The theme has been installed and the plugin has also been installed, so all plugins are here. One update is here, so we can update it simply. And okay, so everything is fine, and now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and the plugins. And this is the basic look of Cura WordPress theme, and this is of course without any demo content. And at this stage we need to have a target website like any of these, so we need to import the demo content. And this theme uses the Unison, I believe, yes. So demo content shall be available in the tools section. Okay, demo content install is here. Okay, so we can import the demo here just by clicking the install button, and the Unison demo importer has been started now. And one great thing with the Unison demo importer that it never gets paid, but it takes a bit time extra because it also resizes the images, but it is good thing that it copies all the file in the requisite format, and this is why it takes time as well. So it is now downloading the pack of content that is of 259 MB, and it will take time, but we have to bear this time and wait until the process gets complete. And don't refresh or leave this page, it is an automated process and it will redirect you to the new website once the process gets complete. Wait and watch. And there are 1682 images to be resized, so it is going to take time, but our due patience is required here, and it is going on, and it will definitely get complete. And now, since the installation and demo import is complete, it has been redirected to the new website page, and it is really wonderful that we got this website with us. And we have all the home pages as well, so you can choose any of your home page as per your requirement and choice. All things are here, and internal pages are also here ready with this theme. And we got a wonderful website in this activity, so everything is here, and what we need next, just put the original content and you will be ready to go. And all the home pages is also here, you can choose any. Okay, so it is really wonderful. And so clinic is also here, so you can set any of home page as you need. And in clinic, appointment booking system is also here. So this website is complete, and what we need next, just to be ready with our content, and it will be fine to go. Now I'll show you the theme options what we got in the installation. And this activity was good and it was simple, it just needed a database update. Okay, fine, that is not a problem. And now Unison already we used, blog post, and this portion is for appointment if we are using the clinic website, and pages rest of things are services is additional, so you can handle the services from here, and rest things are common. And I'm just showing you the theme options what we got in the theme, and these are the theme options available. So general setting, layout, favicon, typed fonts, custom fonts, custom slug, preloader, scroll on top, analytics code, header, so you can control your header as well. So header means general, sort header, footer, elements, pages, blog, and all things are here. So you have every control, and just in case you have any question regarding this theme, you can simply write in the comment section of this video, or I'm also giving the link of my website in the description of this video where you can get this theme and you can have a direct interaction with me. Use the comment form given on the listing page, and you can get this theme by clicking on the magenta color button written marked as get Cura WordPress theme. Just click on that, you shall be able to complete your order there, and you can even choose the hosting plan if you need that. And now I'll show you how to edit the page contents. Just for example, if you want to edit the home page itself, I'll rather advise you to take a backup of home page using any duplicator plugin, and you will be fine to edit. Just in case you made any mistake, click on edit with Elementor, as this theme uses Elementor, so it is simple to customize or edit the contents of page. Just click on edit with Elementor by opening the page which you want to edit, in fact, and just click on the area whatever you want to edit. It will be reflected here, and just simply put your content here, and mind the length of text content to maintain the integrity of the design. You should put the similar length content, or you can even add or remove the sections. If you want to remove, delete this inner section, and everything is fine. So Elementor is very easy to use, even a non-technical person can do such activities. So we have now a wonderful website, and you can get this theme as well. So I believe you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, and you are coming on the website very first time, you just please subscribe this channel. I'll definitely show you wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. And till then, goodbye.